Today I'm going to share with you my most disgusting slime in the world in my history. So here, look how sticky my hands are. So here is the slime that is so sticky. We're going to check it out. It's so sticky. It's called, Farty Putty Poo Goo. It's a bit ripped, the sticker. I don't know why the sticker is a bit ripped. But look, how stretchy. It's so stretchy and sticky. I don't like the stickiness, but it's kind of dirty. As you can see, look at that. You can see on my hand, it feels kind of good. It feels like relaxing, but when you take it out, oh, look at that stick. Not interested. I have sticky slime. And I'm gonna stretch it out. So munchy, it's so crunchy, sticky and comfy. That's the stickiest slime ever. Look at that. I'm gonna stir and mix on my hand. I learned that word from Scratchin' Melody. If you don't know Scratchin' Melody, it's a Friday Night Funkin'. I think I mean it's not, but I don't know. But it's a bit similar. I don't know if it is. I don't know, but it's kind of similar. I think so. So if you wanna see that bit, Scratchin' Melody, you can type it. Scratchin' Melody, but it's not Melody. It's M-E, not O, Melodii. So you can type that in your search. You can see Scratchin' Melody. If you already know it, thank you very much. But that would be great if you already know it. It's okay. It's great. When you don't know something, it's quite awesome when you don't know something. To me, I like knowing don't know something. So I'm gonna clean this off my hand. So I'm just gonna clean. I need to clean it properly, guys. I'm sorry if I can't show you. And remember, please subscribe my channel. I don't have much subscribers now. I have only 8. So please subscribe my channel. You don't need to give me money when you subscribe. YouTube can't give me money. And subscribe to my channel, Kawaii Gacha. I don't have much gacha thingies, but I have quite a little bit of kawaii. I think, I don't know if you think my videos are kawaii. But anyways, I don't have any gacha videos yet. I have the app Gacha Club, Gacha Life. But I don't know how to upload. So if you are a YouTuber and you uploaded some gacha videos, please tell me. I don't know how. So can you please tell me? I want to know. But if you're not, it's okay. You can tell me still how, if you know. If you're not, if you know how, but you're not one, please tell me as well. And guys, I want you again to subscribe. Nobody really subscribe me, but I only have 8 subscribers. Don't have much. It's very little. So can you please subscribe me. I wanna play, but oh. And sorry. Someone is talking, and yeah, someone's talking behind me. It's my family, and I'm sorry if it's too noisy, but that is how it goes a bit. So I got it most of in my hand here, as you can see. It's not really this hand. It has still a bit of slime. So I'm just gonna dab it out. Don't have tissues here, so I can't really use any. And guys, I don't want this video to be too long for you guys. If you want to watch something else, so goodbye and see you in my next video today. Bye bye.